Hello friend, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Okay, what's your good name?
My name is Keshav BK.
Okay, give me your introduction please.
Thank you for giving me this opportunities to introduce myself. My name is Keshav BK. I am 24 years old. I have three members in my family. I am plus two pass.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from Nepal, Dang.
Okay, how many members in your family?
Three members in my family.
Okay, why do you want to go to Romania?
I want to go to Romania because better future, better opportunities to support my family.
Okay, do you have any other friends or relatives working in Romania?
No,
Okay, do you smoke or drink?
no,
Okay, are you mental or medical fit?
yes,
Okay, are you ready for doing on-skill jobs in Romania like factory worker, warehouse worker, waste sorting, city cleaning, or other indoor or outdoor works? Are you ready?
yes.
Okay, do you have any experience before?
Yes, I have experience. I have 3 years experience cook as a Indian Chinese in India, and 2 years experience supermarket as a cleaner in Nepal.
Okay, show me your hands. Okay, thank you.